In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the look on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to adjust, and how to confidently refine your site style without getting overwhelmed. First, make sure you're working inside the Squarespace editor, often called the canvas. This is the live preview area where you see your pages as you make changes. It's the best place to work because every adjustment updates in real time, so you can instantly tell whether a choice fits your brand and content. If you're looking at your site and can interact with elements on the page, you're in the right spot. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen and open Site Styles. This is your central styling panel. If you don't see it at first, ensure you're in editing mode. Once you open Site Styles, you'll notice the page shifts slightly to make room for a control panel. Think of this panel as your dashboard for global design. Most changes you make here apply across your entire site. For a consistent professional look, inside Site Styles, choose the specific part of your site that you want to change the look of. You can target areas like headings and body text, buttons, backgrounds, sections, and spacing. Selecting an element on the page often reveals the matching controls in the panel, which makes it easier to fine-tune exactly what you're seeing. As you explore, keep a few principles in mind. Maintain strong contrast for readability, keep font pairing simple and consistent, and use spacing to create clear visual hierarchy. Small, deliberate changes usually yield the cleanest, most cohesive results. If something feels off, watch the live preview as you adjust sliders or color swatches and dial it back until it feels right. You'll find a wide variety of choices to tailor your style to your topic or brand personality. Try refining your color palette so your primary and accent colors work together. Adjust typography sizes so headings stand out without overpowering your text, and tune button styles so calls to action are obvious but not distracting. Scroll your page while you edit to see how changes affect different sections, and glance at longer paragraphs as well as short headlines to ensure everything remains legible. When you're happy with the overall look, simply click Close at the top to exit Site Styles. Your updates are preserved, and you can always come back later to iterate. That's it. You now know how to change the look on Squarespace using Site Styles quickly and confidently. Keep refining, stay consistent, and let your design support your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.